Welcome to Mathix Board. In this video, we will solve the question number 6 of exercise 6.1. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. So we have made here a diagram XYZ 64 degree is at Y point. And XY is produced to point P. So this is XY is extended here to point P. So this is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, this ray YQ is bisector of angle ZYP, means this YQ is dividing this ZYP into two equal parts. ZYQ is equal to QYP here. So we have to find the angle XYQ, means we have to find this angle XYQ. This portion we have to find the value of XYQ and the reflex QYP. Reflex QYP. QYP is angle here and we have to find its reflex angle. Okay, so first we will find XYQ. How to find this? We can see here XYP is straight line, means this value is 180 degree. XYP is here 180 degree. So we will use the linear pair of these angles. The linear pair of angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equal to here 180 degree. So we can see angle XYZ and ZYP is 180 degree. XYZ value is 64 degree. We will put here, and angle ZYP we have to find here, and it is 180 degree. So angle ZYP is here 180 degree minus 64 degree. So the value is here 116 degree. ZYP, this ZYP portion we have now 116 degree. So what is its mean? ZYQ. What is the value for ZYP and QYP? YQ is bisecting this angle ZYP. So this portion will be equally divided. So we will divide 116 by 2. So ZYQ, the value of ZYQ is equal to 116 degree divided by 2. Then its value is 58 degree. So now we have the value ZYQ also 58 degree. How to find the XYQ? Now it is the sum of XYZ plus ZYQ. So we will find here angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Now put the value XYZ 64 degree already given, and the angle ZYQ we have find from here 58 degree. So we will add here and then find the value. Its addition is to 122 degree. So angle XYQ is here 102 degree. So this is the one answer, and you have the value of angle XYQ. Now find the reflex angle QYP. QYP value is the angle ZYQ is equal to QYP. Why? Because YQ is bisector of angle ZYP. So the value of ZYQ is 58 degree. Then the value of QYP is also 58 degree. Now reflex angle. Reflex angle is 360 degree minus the particular angle. So particular angle we have to given here QYP, angle QYP, reflex angle. We have to find the reflex angle of Q. So we will subtract the value of QYP from the 360 degree. So 360 degree minus angle QYP. QYP value is here 58 degree. Put the value, and this after subtraction we will get here 302 degrees. So the reflection of QYP is here 302 degree, and the value of reflection of angle QYP is 302 degree, and the value of angle XYQ is here 122 degree. So this is the solution for this question.